So I want people, big up everybody who watch the video right now. Keep getting requests for do this video, so I'm gonna do it. And get to it. It's called the Jamaican TAG video. So let's do it and get it over with. I'm gonna try just throwing some random stuff in there for so, you know. Just throwing some random things in there. Alright. When was your last time in Jamaica? Last time I was in Jamaica, I think it was around summer. It's like 3 years ago. So it was in the summer around like three years ago. But God willing, I'll go down this summer sometime. I want to touch on it this summer. You know, I go see my grandmother and cousins and big up my cousin them. Big up my cousin them in the yard. Miss it, yo. Like 3 years ago. Summertime. It's been a while. Need to go out that one soon. What's your favorite Jamaican dish? My favorite Jamaican dish. I love ackee and saltfish and yam and dumpling and banana. You know, you cut it in, you know, you slice up the dumpling and you slice up the banana. No, you crush the banana. So you crush out the banana and you crush it in and all this yam, and then you put the ackee and saltfish on top of it. What do you have in your house that best resembles your culture? Couldn't even find a flag or nothing, you know. But I find, you know, every Jamaican have some Jamaican seasoning. You see me, I say. Oh, curious. Alright, next question. Say something in your accent. Say something in the accent or dialect. The accent, I'm kind of talking it right now. I'm kind of water it down a little bit. Because, you know, Jamaican, you have your butu talk Jamaican. One man them just come out that, you know, the back of bush man them you know, the back of bush Jamaican, then you have the uptown Jamaican, then you have the ghetto Jamaican, and you know already. What do you like most about the culture? Food, of course. The food, the beaches, man. You can't beat them beaches, yo. The beaches, the food, that includes all the fruits and all that stuff. The girls, Caribbean girls. You notice when I say food number one. What part of Jamaica are you from? I grew up in the countryside, Parish St. Anne, and then Runaway Bay. No fun or nothing with no Runaway Bay still. I'm gonna go to school in Brownstown. Talking about what's the best memory you had in Jamaica. Best memories, because can't really name one out of the world of them. One time, me and my cousin, right, bored enough. That country and there's not much to do now. So we say, yo, man, we go pick some coconut. Yo, we go pick some coconut, right? So I go to the bush, you know. I go to the bush, we go around that one part. We go around one tank, one dry out tank, you know. And we go through the bush, we go pick some coconut. In Jamaica, when we did this, we used to have some stick or hold up the clothesline to hold it up so the clothes can dry. So we take one of them stick there, you know, and the top of the stick. So it's a long stick, right? It's a long stick. At the front, the end of the stick, it have a thing what goes so you can hold up the thing, hold up the line for the clothes. And then so it goes so boom, right? It goes so boom. Then the end of it is a regular stick. So I carry the stick, you know, I go through the bush and I fight. Reach a coconut tree and we say, yo, them coconut they look ready, them coconut they look ripe. Anyway, we did me go so now and say, yo, I'ma go so. I'ma go first, right? So did I jump it all to that? I say, nothing. Then Kurt go, nothing. This, I swear to God that them the coconut they never want to come down that day. So Kevin now, around the fourth joke the man push up in there. The bunch of coconut them start rain down on the man and the man that coconut I'm gonna move. The coconut tree there right beside one barbed wire fence. So one of the coconut man drop down and Kevin goes up. But boy, they right there saying no. And Kevin goes up. Whoosh. That day they still have a scare right there. So. That was one of the best memories. Also, Interfarm at Yard Castle. That was the best time at Yard Castle for me. Best time. Interfarm. When every farm play against each other in a football after school. I'm gonna stop this video now because it's not get too long. So I wanna give a shout out to certain. I wanna give a shout out to Tony. A girl in on Ed. She not know Ed. Funny. You guys need to go check our channel out. Yeah, trust me, I got laugh. I wanna shout out everybody that's subscribed to us, all of our new subscribers, all of our old subscribers, everybody. I just trust me, all of us love the feedback we're getting. All of us love all the love we're getting from you guys.